Anita V here with my husband Tom and our dog Indy. We're at the Cuyahoga Valley National Park at the Everett Road Bridge again. Last time we were here we did the Perkins Trail, and today we are going to do the Furnace Run Trail. This trail is considered moderate to difficult and is 240 feet in elevation. Here we go up several steps. We had to cross over the main street to get to the steps. I thought we were finished with the steps, but there's a ton more. We made it to the top, and now we will continue on the path. We're still walking uphill. Haven't come to any flat land yet. Hey, Indy, how you doing? You doing a good job?
Enjoying your walk?
You like this hike? We're coming up on a little divided trail here. If we go that way, we'll continue on Furnace Run. Oops, closed area. Crossing back over a road. We're not sure which road. Checking for cars.
I think it's Oak Hill Road.
We think it might be Oak Hill Road. I have a map. All right, it might say what road that is.
I don't know if this is the one, right one. This is the Wetmore Trail, Butler's Trail, and Langus Run Trail.
Okay.
Tabletop Trail.
Yeah, we're not at that area.
This is by Kendall Lake.
Yeah.
How are we going on the backside? Oh, this is it. Perkins, Riding Run, Furnace Trail.
Yep. Looks like now we are going to be climbing down 240 feet. It's a little slippery, a little treacherous going downhill in the snow. Coming down this hill has been rough. I slipped and fell twice. Figured out how to get down the hill without falling again. I found a walking stick. We're stopping for Indy to take a break and get something to drink. It's actually a really nice place to stop. It's a beautiful stream. Well, we're a little confused. We thought it was a loop and it says end of trail. So we gotta turn around and back up that hill.
We veered off the Furnace Run Loop and took an out and back trail down to the Furnace Run stream. The Furnace Run stream actually flows into the Cuyahoga River.
Just know on the Furnace Run trail, you have to cross over a main, a roadway, not necessarily a main roadway, but a roadway with some good traffic on it. They're planting some new trees in the Cuyahoga Valley National Park here at the end of the trail. As we're coming to the end of the trail, we are walking along the stream again. Here we have a little waterfall, if you can even see it. There we go. Here's some more tree planting along the trail. Just a beautiful sun. Oops. We are finally at the end of the trail, as you can see the bridge in the background. Completed the Furnace Run Trail. We ended up hiking 2.8 miles and we did 17 floors according to my husband's GPS watch. I picked this up because I had fallen a couple times. It was pretty slippery and muddy. So after I got this, it was much better for me. I'll probably leave it on the side for someone else to use. Furnace Run was a beautiful trail, but it was very icy, snowy, and muddy in late February, with a lot of up and down. I recommend your hiking boots have good traction and bring along some walking sticks.